In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Zoom profile picture. This is a quick but important update that makes your account look polished and helps people recognize you, especially when your camera is off during meetings. I'll walk you through each click and share a few tips so your picture looks great everywhere in Zoom. Start on your Zoom dashboard. Look to the top right corner and find your profile icon. It's the small circle that either shows your initials or a default silhouette. Give that a click to open your account options. From the menu that appears, select Profile, and then click on My Profile. When you do this, Zoom will open your profile settings in your web browser, so don't be surprised if a new tab appears. That's exactly where you need to be to make changes to your picture. Once the profile page loads in your browser, look for your current icon again and click it to begin editing. You'll see an option labeled Change. Click Change, and you'll be given two choices: upload a photo from your device or take a new picture right now if your device supports a camera. Choose the option that's easiest for you. If you're uploading, pick a clear recent photo where your face is centered and well lit. Square or nearly square images work best, and a simple background helps keep the focus on you. High contrast photos are easier to see in small circles, which is how Zoom displays profile images in meetings. After you select or take your picture, Zoom usually lets you adjust the crop so your face is framed properly. Take a second to center your eyes about 1/3 from the top and make sure nothing important is cut off. When it looks the way you want, click Save. That's the step that actually applies the change to your account. You should immediately see your new image appear in your profile preview. From now on, your profile picture will show up in meetings when your video is off, in chat, and across the Zoom dashboard. If you ever want to refresh it, return to the same place, click your icon, choose Change, and save the new look. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your Zoom presence is clearer, more professional, and easier for colleagues and classmates to recognize. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile.